TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida, 9 a.m. Eastern time on Monday morning, 30 minutes to go until that opening bell. And we got markets in negative territory to start things off. Oil having quite a day with the biggest move ever to the upside after an attack on the Saudi oil supply. We'll get over to that chart in a moment. Started off with the indices. Dow futures right now, negative 98 points, trading 27,116. S&P futures negative by 10, trading at 29.98. NASDAQ futures negative by 45 points, trading at 78.62. And we're going to start things off. We'll jump over to the charts, and we'll start it off with, we're going to jump right to that crude oil chart. Crude oil, November contract, trading at $60.52, backing things up. There is your jump from Friday's close of $54.86 up to an opening price tag last night, $61.97. Some of those gains got paired last night. Even early this morning, we were under $59, but since then, you've seen the prices rise again. Crude oil above $60, trading at $60.40. I'm sure you may have seen the headlines this morning. As the headlines load, Saudi Aramco, the national company, reportedly aims to restore about a third of the crude oil output, or 2 million barrels a day. So they're losing 5.7 million barrels a day potentially on that attack on their oil. Pretty remarkable. You see it in the chart. We'll see how that plays out. Jumping to the indices, S&P 500 just peaked above 3,000 briefly within the last hour, currently just under that level at 29.97. NASDAQ 100 trading at 78.60, up near the pre-market session highs. And you can see the jump in those markets from Sunday night, from Friday afternoon. Dow 30 currently trading 27,112, backing up the charts to where we ended last week, about 27,226. There's your crude oil chart again. We covered that. Gold getting a spike on that jump from Friday's close of under 1,500. We actually almost made it to 1,520. Gold trading at 1,509. And the euro US dollar with a little bit of weakness. Euro trading 1.1025. In terms of what else you have happening across the market, you got a strike going on. United Auto Workers hitting GM. That going to play out as they just voted to strike, first time in 12 years. And what else you have out there? This oil is going to reverberate around many industries as airlines, retail, and cruise shares fall. Anybody using oil, you get a 10 to 20% spike. Biggest spike ever. Pretty remarkable. Most in history after those attacks. Stay tuned, folks. Steve Rhodes filling in for Larry Pesavento at 9. I'll be back at 10 with Tom. Stay tuned. Have a great Monday.